Ah, yo, can you hear me now? Should be able to hear me now. I'm gonna go ahead and go through some of this. Wait before I get confirmation you guys can hear me first. Okay, cool. Awesome. So the weekly objective was, for we were looking for a TGIF like coming into this morning from last night, but this is the weekly objective on ES and NQ. So the fact that they didn't hit yet makes me think we're going to run higher before selling off. So maybe we get a sell off in the PM, or maybe we don't even hit up here at all. That's the only thing I'm looking for, though. I'm not really looking for shorts at the moment. They don't really make a whole lot of sense. I would, however, like some sort of SMT here at these lows. If you guys look here, we're in a 4 hour BISI, and we're also in a 1 hour BISI on ES as well. So I want to see us push higher here. I would prefer like a low to get ran, some either on ES or NQ. That's kind of like what I'm waiting for at the moment. Yeah, run the lows one more time would be nice. Um, Really nice actually. What's up, Ivan? Mm. I mean, technically, M15 has SMT here, but like, I think you would have wanted a low run, in my opinion. But I'll be waiting for like a 15-minute FVG to form, and then because we're still in we're still in a pretty deep discount. So even if I catch longs, I can hear like I'll be fine. But I'm gonna wait for the next 15-minute candle to close. Uh, Probably till 10 o'clock. I think we have 10 o'clock news. So that would be nice. Probably wait till 10, in my opinion. But I'm gonna be watching. Throw some music here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I would like a low run here, preferably, and then we push higher with SMT. So kind of what I'm watching, something like that. Oh man, how's everyone's morning going so far? Let's see here. So rain on the pot. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, yeah, you're talking about this one right here, yeah. We tagged one on ES, but it's also that full hour too, so I didn't mark it out. This one right here. But yeah, I mean that would make sense. But I would much rather prefer us just move from here, because if you take Asia, right? On the night, let's project that. I think it's just like New York reversal in my opinion. So we hit two, so like that calls for like a retracement reversal. So I think this is gonna get ran, in my opinion. The reason why is I don't know if the weekly target on the swing high and the daily gets taken today because it just could be a lack of volatility. But I think this is only it's 170 points, but I think this is doable for the AM session. I really do. Let me check this out on NQ or ES. Rain on the pot. Yeah, so 2.5 was hit on ES. So what up, Ash? If we don't get a low run here with SMT, then I'll just be looking for like another FEG to form. No big deal. What's up, Omega? What's up, Ramon? Landon? Thanks you guys for tuning in. As I was saying before, I was looking for a TGIF last night, but the fact that this weekly target hasn't been hit, the swing high from August 1st on ES or NQ, and we had a sell-off this morning during London, I'm bullish on the day. This, like, I actually prefer this in my opinion because I think this is an easier draw on liquidity in my opinion. So, also we got dollar rejecting from here. Bonds haven't really moved, but dollar's rejecting. So I'll be watching to see if we get that. Let me check the news calendar. I think we have like an orange folder or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, orange folder at 10. So U of M sentiment. Wow, that used to be like red folder. Mm-hmm. So we'll see what happens. So we got Asia right here. 2.5 was hit just now here in New York. Yeah, orange folder. Yeah. Nah, but it was like U of M, and I swear that was like red folder before. But I'm just trying to see if we get any sort of volatility. It would be nice. Is anyone in here looking to frame shorts at all, or? I'd be looking to frame shorts if like the weekly target would have been hit. I feel like it just would have been easier, but I don't see any point of interest on the hourly or the 4 hour for shorts for me, except this gap right here, but we haven't tagged into it yet. Maybe we're just getting a low run with the SMT right here, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, it was. So we'll love to see this. Yeah. So like we're at 20% of the weekly range right now on NQ and ES, so we hit them both. So that's why, like, I woke up and I was like, okay, we're already down here. We didn't run this high, so I'm like, let's just go run the high then. You see what I mean? So if I don't get this like for a long setup, then I'm not gonna push anything today. I had a good trade on Wednesday post CPI, so and we called out longs too. CPI was not. I mean, the delivery of CPI was horrible, but the AM set like at 9:30 on it was pretty clean. So um, yeah, right. Oh man, blue skies. Sure, I forgot to take my supplements. Thank you guys for tuning in, by the way. Ash, you see anything? What's your thoughts? So we want this low run here. I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert. Looks like NQ's the weaker one, so we want to see a low run here, and then we want to see displacement higher, retest it, and then obviously you guys know the drill. Of course. Hmm. Yeah, no, last night when I was looking at the charts, I was thinking, because it was Asia last, like, like pretty late, and we were already up here, like 650. I'm like, okay, we can run another freaking 70 points during London, take that high out, and then leave SMT and then go lower. But we haven't ran it yet, so that's why very well could consolidate too. But if we look at the M5 right now, I'm gonna do a giveaway here, like 10:15. So oh, it's text color. So 9:30 right here. No sort of displacement either way, except on ES. Okay. Yeah, the 8:30. Yeah, okay. Yeah, down to here. Yeah, still could get it. I mean, we could easily go back down into this gap. Oh, you're good, Curtis. Ain't no big deal. Now, I went live on YouTube. I didn't know Matt. I didn't think Matt was streaming today. I thought he was out of town. So last night, but might at least give y'all one day on the YouTube stream. What's up, Danny? Would you take ES longs? Take it easy, Teasy. Oh man, you guys know how I feel about ES. If it's cleaner, like right at the moment, it's cleaner. I don't necessarily like. I think SMT is important, obviously. I like to see SMT, but like sometimes like I'll long the weaker pair if it's cleaner. Like if I see this is stronger, right? But the wicks and like there's no sort of displacement. But I look at ES and this is the weaker one. Like unless it's like not moving at all to the upside. If it's clean, it's probably moving to the upside, right? So I'll take that. ICT talked about like six sister approach or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, no, I think the best thing to do is wait for a 4 hour close. Because at 10 o'clock, candle could open up, make a low, and run this low, and then we could go higher. So we'll see. 8 more minutes till that closes. I don't like this song. Yeah, I don't see much at the moment. I want to see a little bit more. I like how dollar's behaving, though, I will say. I want to see some sort of like lower time frame stop run. Mm-hmm. Oh shit, Ralph, you're hilarious, bro. Um, yeah, no, I had that two standard deviations marked out too, right? Like right here. Yeah, I think this is pretty inevitable, right? I think I see what's happening here, like but the 10 o'clock candle will tell us a lot. I still want to see lower prices, just to run a stop run, create SMT. Yeah. I took a trade on Wednesday. I took one last Tuesday, and then the week before that, I think it was like the Thursday. So it was like 3 or 4 trades in a week. I had like one eval. I passed. I was trying to pass, but in terms of fundeds, no, just like it's about 1 or 2 a week. Not much. Ralph, what you doing today, bro? 15-minute SMT? Let me get this out here. Oh yeah, I ran this low. Yeah, my thing is, if it ran down here and took out this low and ES didn't, I would have much rather see that the swing low get invalidated, right? I think that's a good. I think we're gonna get a low run because this is respecting this FEG on the 15 minute. Oh shoot, okay. 4 more minutes till the 10 o'clock candle. Yeah, I trade the unicorn. I don't know what the vanilla unicorn is, bro. Regular trading hours gap. Uh, yeah, the ES is about to fill it. Yeah, I'm thinking another low run, like I've been saying, and then like come in here and fill this gap, take this high out. I wish I could plot it out sometimes, but like it's just too freaking big. Like a lot of times. Yeah, I don't know what the vanilla unicorn is, but I do notice me and Ash like take a lot of the same trades. I will say that. Is 4 hour your high time frame? In this case, yeah, it's my big point of interest because we're in this 4 hour gap and we're in this one on ES. Okay, but it's still not enough. I want to see some like a low run and then go higher. Yeah, we trade similar. Yeah, I mean Matt. Yeah, chocolate's so much better, man. Chocolate's so much better. Yeah. Like I even know people that like have different ideas, right? Or different points of interest, and a lot of times we're in the same trade. So I mean, it's all about sticking to your thing. I like using Asia. I like using like standard deviations, things like that. Yeah, that would be nice. I mean, yeah, if you guys want to play that. The 1 minute looks choppy though. Go look at the 1 minute chart right now. I'm not pulling it up. Y'all can do that on your own time. I'm not looking at that shit. Mm-hmm. Uh, it'd be. I don't use it, so I'm not gonna say it doesn't matter. That's all I'll say. Yeah, it could. Okay. I'll wait and see what happens. 1 minute. Also, someone told me there's OPEX today. Isn't OPEX like every Friday though? Now that they have, what's it called? Take it easy, Ralph. Yeah, I don't take dumb trades. Like I'm so obsessed with like not losing money that like I just don't take stupid trades. And like that's really the difference. Like I have a couple students now that like are they take the same good trades as me, but then they take some stupid. I'm like, dude, like if you just cut those out, man, like you'll be like right where I'm at or other people, wherever you want to be, right? Um, it's just it's hard. I get it. You want to push the button, you want to feel something, especially if you're new, right? You want to see how you want to test out your knowledge on the charts. You want to forward test, but it's not the best way to do it. Ramon, RT, you can look at that, bro. I ain't. I'll go with a 5 minute. I ain't looking at the 1 minute. I'm not looking at the 1 minute right now. Look, I know what's happening here on the 1 minute by this 5 minute. Yeah. And one thing too, like the more I saw like a clip on IG. It was from Tanya's her podcast. It was like the more trades you take, the more likely you're just to do something stupid. So like everything I've always said, like one trade means nothing, but one loss can mean everything. What I mean by that is like if you're in the wrong mindset, if you're just got that FOMO, like whatever, like if you're just psychology's weak or whatever, and we take a trade that's a loss, right? And then it can spiral out of control, and you can lose everything you built like 6 months, a year, like in terms of funded accounts, payouts, whatever it is. Like it can all be gone like that. So that's why this game is so hard. Like you can literally lose it all in one day, 2 hours, 1 hour, whatever it is. Whereas like most jobs, like you can't unless you just do something absolutely stupid. Which I mean, I guess that is stupid as well. But um, yeah, like if you're a car salesman or whatever, and you don't sell a car, or people don't like you, you can still sell a car the same day or the next day. Like the whole world doesn't come crashing down, or you're trading, but like your trading can. That's what I'm saying. So. Ralph just loves that little freaking emoji, man. Ash, I'm making you a moderator. Yes to the moon, yeah. Yeah, I don't see much right now. even after. There you go. I know majority of you guys tuned in to see the dog, so here's Cooper. Since price action is not very good, I say hello to the camera. It's the dog shit, ain't it? Let's see here. Thank you. I said you're cute, Cooper. Yeah. I told the story in the Discord, but like this dog is like the smartest dog I've ever seen. Like I never gave him any training. Like I mean, I told him like the basic stuff. But the funniest thing to me is when the other dog, Winnie, takes his toy. Um, and he'll let him take it for like 2 minutes, and he'll like sit on the other couch, and then he'll just start barking, run towards the door, and then the other dog will run towards the door with him, thinking someone's there, and Cooper runs back to the couch and grabs his ball or his toy. He's so smart. Let's show here. I love him, but he can bark, man. There's so many times I've had to mute Discord streams because he's just like going off, and he makes people's ears like bleed. Yeah. Yeah. That's the other dog in the background, if you guys can see him. Ash, bro, this is like watching paint dry. This is so boring. Also, I have my T Talks coming out with T Trades at 11, so I'll probably get out of here like 10:55. Yeah, bro, like, and you don't want to hear like what I'm saying like after I mute it, like I'm screaming at him. And he comes back in here, he sits in his little bed, and he looks up at me. It's like he just has to get it out of his system, and like there's nothing ever there. Rarely ever is like the FedEx guy, the Amazon person there. There was one time that the Amazon driver, like you know how they have to take a picture at the front door. They took a picture, and he's sitting there like just like you can see he's pissed. Like he's like, get off my lawn, get off my property. Yeah, I like how he does those. They're pretty cool. I gotta watch Tanya's podcast later today too. Alright, what's going on here? I'm sorry, I just gotta type in the charts. I promise. There's gonna be one day where we get some good price action here on stream. It has been a while since I took a trade on a Friday. So. I'm gonna do the giveaway in about 7 minutes. All right. Cooper. Oh man, like 3 years almost. Yeah, he is cute, isn't he? Yeah, no, Fridays are kind of crap. He doesn't like his like belly rubbed that much. Yeah. He does have an email now. Cooper does have an email, so technically he can come in here and sub. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and start that actually. Go ahead and start it so you guys can go ahead and sign up. Put a better song on. Let's do giveaway. Alright, I'll do it for 10 minutes, and you guys, it should pop up here. So I'll do it at like 10:22 or whatever. So type in exclamation point raffle. Yeah. There you go. You're $500 away on, is that My Fun Futures? Alright, so at 10:20, the giveaway winner will be announced. Nah, I didn't. We just picked him up one day, and he just looked like a Cooper. Yeah, if you're $500 away, I mean that'd be the 21st. 21st, that would be Wednesday. I mean, I would just risk $250 a trade. Honestly. Because you probably built up a nice cushion, so that's what I would do. I'm guessing it's a My Fun Futures one, though. Yeah, this is pretty horrible right now. I'm gonna do it just one time to kind of show you guys, like I'm proving a point here. Do you guys see anything in here that like interests you at all? Like since 9:30, so 9:30 is right here. So you gotta get rid of the willingness to trade, and I think probably like the reason you guys got a willingness to trade is because like you're either new to the markets, or you see people making money, you want to make money, you want to test out your knowledge, right? But I'm telling you, like I knew a lot of this stuff in the first month or two of trading. The problem is I wanted to learn more so I could take trades so I could make more. But that was the complete wrong way to look at it. Right? I mean, this is nothing. I don't. There's one FVG on the 1 minute candle. Like, yeah. Let me get off of this because this is giving me, as Matt would say, I could take that to Walmart and get $5 off. It looks like a barcode. Oh yeah, time to golf, man. You guys know I got my tee time at 4 o'clock. You guys know I got my tee time at 4 o'clock now. Oh yeah, London. Yeah, London was pretty nice. Yeah, you had multiple entries in London. This one right here, and even I didn't tag this breaker right here, but no big deal. And then I feel like if you would have saw this like move down, like I think like majority of people would have taken it too, if you're a London trader, because you're expecting if price hasn't ran that high, you know it's gonna go lower and then run up for the AM session. So yeah, good trade. Yeah, Winnie or Winston. Nah, I trade oil. I have oil pulled up. That's about it. Like I take oil like once a month. Like I, that's about it. He said I'm pretty decent. Wow, that's a shot, bro. I'm texting him right now. Bro called me decent. Not you, not you. Well, he to be fair, he uses that word a lot. Yeah, yeah, no. I play all the time. Okay, yeah, yeah. Let's see here. Well, nah, me and 15-minute FEG here. Nah, me, Ash, and T all went to the driving range. It was fun. Yeah, yeah, that's one thing I'm looking at. I think I'm gonna take you on NQ though. I'd want this candle to displace higher and close, leaving this behind, and then come back into it and then go higher. So I'm gonna get this off the charts now. I don't think we're gonna get something like this. So maybe here, boom, something like that. If it just runs higher here for the next 10, 15 minutes, then and Winnie. Yeah, no, we need to do that. Someone, I think T and someone else was talking about need to do that. Um, I've been playing my whole life, so let's see, trying to figure something out. When learning ICT, do you think it's a must-watch to watch ICT? Yeah, so like, the I always point like if you're just getting started, I always say go watch ICT's videos. Um, like there's some rambling in there, but like I think the core content's really good. I think 2022 mentorship. I think that's really all you need, in my opinion. I think month 1, 2, 7, and I think 12 like the best for me. I mean, there's some other people like Matt has good videos, Ralph has good videos. I've just started putting out videos. T puts out videos. Ash puts. I mean, there's people. I mean, T does a good job of like simplifying stuff. So if you just want to see the concept really quick, like that's great. Same with Matt. Same with Ralph. Ash. Yeah, right. Streamlabs definitely wins. Uh Day trading realtor and Ash. Y'all meeting up later this month? That's pretty sweet. I like meeting up with people in real life. Okay. Let's see. Uh, I got to pick a winner here. Jazz. I think Jazz actually had the first comment in here too this morning. Nah, second one. He was like NFP in the title. Um, yeah, so just DM me on Twitter or IG, whatever it is, and just shoot me your email. Make sure you have an email or account with them so they can just um, plug it right in. Top Golf in Florida, yeah, Top Golf's fun. Ralph went there. Ralph went there too. Oh, you met up with T? Yeah, cool, awesome. Yeah, I think T's coming back to see me in like October. My wife charged him $200 for rent for the couple weeks. I was like, $200? Let's do like 2 grand. What are we doing $200? What's that gonna do? Use the ticket. Ticket. What ticket are you talking about? Stop losses? Yeah. So for stop loss, for example, where was a good trade here? For me, it's kind of like it can change. So Let me see if I can find a trade. I'll go with my trade from. I'll go with my trade from Wednesday. Alright, so in this example, so this is my trade from Wednesday. So enter here like 122 or something like that. So like sometimes I set it here at the top. I sometimes like to set it at the top of the candle that makes the middle candle that makes FVG. Because like my thinking is like if I can get better risk to reward, and honestly if price comes all the way up here, even if it just wicks, like it's probably gonna run for this high. So I mean, although they always say put it top of the breaker or bottom of the breaker, I think this is a good spot too. It just kind of depends. Sometimes like I'll honestly put it like if this candle, this first candle is like up here, like I'll put it like up like right there if it's up there. You see what I mean? Like just pay attention to like what price does like when it gives you a good setup, and then pay attention to like what price does when it gives you a setup, and it's maybe not like the best day to trade it, right? And you'll see patterns of like okay this happens because like look at I didn't see this trade until someone in a chat brought it up that hey Nick look are you in shorts? I'm like no, why would I be in shorts? And I looked at it, I was like 4-hour FEG 15-minute relative equal highs, and then price was respecting here, and I got in late. I got in like 939, 940, and then it just died. So, and my best trades always go to TP like super quick. Like I was in and out of this trade in like 3 minutes. Yeah, Wednesday short was a banger. Yeah. I'm not looking for shorts at the moment. I'm looking for longs. I'm watching the 15-minute. I got about 30 more minutes in here. I want to see this candle form right here. Form an FVG and then go higher. I'll come down and then go higher. So this is kind of what I'm watching. 2.5 standard deviations of the Asia range. So you guys check out the course. Oh shoot, this is YouTube. Never mind. You know how I like to play stuff from down here, but where are we at from London? 2.5 as well. Yeah. So if it just goes lower and doesn't give a setup, then it is what it is. Or if it just goes higher, it is what it is. But I want to see a candle form, create FEG, come into it, create displacement away from it. But yeah, like I was not watching it. Like yeah, 1 minute man. Like sometimes I just be getting like. If you guys have traded a 1 minute and you find yourself getting chopped up, like wait for like a 5-minute stop hunt and then like wait for like a 1 minute like trade. So what I mean by that is like, it's like this is like a 5-minute swing low, right? If you want to enter, you still want to use like the 4-hour on the 15, but wait for like the 5-minute to give a stop hunt. Whereas like on the 1 minute, there's stop hunts all over the place. So like stop hunt could be here, like on the 5-minute though, like they're less likely. So, and then once you get that, then you can wait for price to move in your direction. It's basically just extra confluence. I think that would help. But like 1 minute can be. Oof. I'm good on the 1 minute, but I'm very cautious on the 1 minute too. So. Yeah, so we'll see. Wait, Cooper, that was me. That was me, okay? That was me. So we'll see what happens here. Candle closes here in 2 minutes or 1 minute. So I want to see it move down. I'm going to go ahead and mark this out. And you guys know what I'm looking for. I don't really like it on ES, but I'm watching it. Yeah, so like once this 15-minute fair value gap gets hit, I'm gonna drop to 1 minute. Okay, and on the 1 minute, I'm gonna be looking for stuff like this to occur. Right, and my entry will be right here. So I'm not gonna take a 15-minute trade. I'm just using the 15-minute. Yeah, it'll be something like this. Is what I'm looking for. 1 minute looks. I'm gonna need to see a lot more displacement too, because like this isn't enough. Although price is grinding up, it's not really so myself present itself. Yeah, I'm looking for longs. Yeah. Yeah. A breaker set up on the inside the 15 minute on the 1 minute. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, you talking about this SMT? I see what you mean. Shit. Oh, did we finally get a 1 hour Cibi there? Okay, yeah. Yeah, so David, the only problem, I'll watch it. I see what you mean. Dang. I'm a little conflicted at the moment, to be honest with you. Because, like, weekly target obviously hasn't been hit. This 1 hour is what you're referring to, and you got a 5 minute stop hunt inside there. Okay. Okay, well, we'll pay attention to, like, if there's displacement. It's on the... Yeah. I'm starting to see what you see, David. Thank you. Starting to see what you see here. I'm gonna pay attention to like what the market's giving me though. I'm not just gonna keep flip flopping, but definitely a little. I can see both sides a little bit, right? Had a sell off during London. We could go take London high and hit the weekly objective, or we can. This is just the New York retracement, which is what happens at two to 2.5 standard deviations. So, you know, I can see that for sure. Yeah, no, yeah, that's how I think. Like if I got conflicting order flow, like if I can long here and if I can short here, then what do you think is the best thing for me to do? Nothing, right? Plus the structure don't look the best. I mean, you'd probably want to stop run higher here. Yeah, so Makai, like, that's one thing I try to teach too is like trap to order flow. So, like, trap to order flow is when you got price between 2 points of interest, like the higher time frames, right? So, 1 hour SIBI here, 4 hour BISI here, which is maybe why like we're starting to like we saw some consolidation of kind of like a weak open, right? So sometimes like when I see like if I'm in the trade and I see price is like about to hit something on the opposite side of the curve, like I'm just paying attention to like what happens there. Okay, like doesn't mean I need to do anything. Doesn't mean I need to cut my trade early or whatever. If if it starts disrespecting PD arrays, things like that, then that could change. But I really don't see a whole lot of obvious displacement here on the M5, like either side. I mean ES a little bit more than NQ, but uh, do you get so direction for M1? I get it on the H4 and the M15, and the daily I get the hourly, and the from the day I use the daily and hourly to get M5 execution. Okay, but usually for a M1 trade, I want like an M5 stop hunt because M1 stop hunts occur all the time, and it's very easy to get tricked up. And I pay attention to time based liquidity as well. So like is there news like the trade on Wednesday? We had SMT at the highs from the CPI highs, right? 9:30 we ran it out on ES, it did it on NQ, and then we went lower. So that's an example of time based liquidity. I think you mean the hourly and the H4. So that's actually what's happening here. So we have SIBI on the 1 hour. That's what's happening here. Not saying I won't take a trade, but I'll require more out of price at this level. Okay. So I can see price coming down to here. Yeah, M5 with stop hunt. Most people like an M1 stop hunt. I like M5s because I go to the M1 right now. Like there's stop hunts all like you got one here. We didn't get displacement. Got one here. Haven't got displacement. I just feel like most traders like do a lot of crap on the 1 minute and they look at the 1 minute chart too much. So I feel like in order to help, that could be something. Yeah, I mean, like sometimes the daily and the 4 hour kind of get like that. Okay, so we gotta move down to here. If it just keeps dying, it keeps dying. Like it is what it is. The game plan in this certain scenario, yeah, I'm honestly a little conflicted. I'll show you why. Oh shoot. I can see shorts and I can see longs. So we got a 4 hour BISI right here, and we got hourly SIBI. You know, price is kind of moving in between them. Okay, so I want to see displacement out of them or an A plus setup inside of it with like clean displacement. So the 2 minute right here. So I think it's a swing. Yeah, so it's a swing low. So this is what I'm talking about, like an M5 stop hunt. So like an M5 candle gets like displaced through. You see what I mean? Rather than just like a single M1 candle, right? Okay, what was that? And also too, I want it to like go down and then move away and close through my breaker very quickly. Otherwise, I'm just kind of like, you know, I'm a little sussed out. Like if price spends like 20 minutes in here, like sideways action and finally closes above it, like I'm like I don't really like that a whole lot. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, I pay attention to them, to the macros. I pay attention to them. I don't, you know, like they're there, you know. Liquidity trap makes complete sense after yesterday's large range. We are expecting consolidation over retracement. Yeah, I can see that. I think that's why like the delivery hasn't been as clean. Like even on the M1, 930s back here, and like it's moved up, but like I think this could potentially drop here. Do you guys have any questions? Feel free to put them in the chat. I mean, I can see shorts right here. I mean, I feel like wouldn't be surprised if like some people are in that. But like for me, I just don't see obvious displacement, right? And like even if you got in like here or here, like price isn't moving like how you want. Like you want to see it go like pretty quickly. In my best trades, I see that. Uh, yeah, patience keeps us away from the BS. Yeah. I mean, I took one trade all week. Ash, you took that trade. It was a banger. It lasted like 5 minutes. You see what I mean? And it jumped out on the screen. Granted, I didn't see it beforehand. Someone else pointed it out to me. But yeah, that's all we need. I'll show you guys the Actually, I post it real quick. This is the trade from Wednesday. Yeah, same here. I know I may confuse so many people. They'll be like, "How did we do that? That wasn't this morning." I'm like, "Yeah, obviously." Like, yeah, nah, I agree. I got about 10 more minutes here on the stream, anyways, because I have to go and stream for the premiere of mine. So, answer some questions in there. But if you guys have anything you want me to go over, I'm just gonna be watching, see what happens here. You know, this is very conflicting, right? This is the M5. Look at the lack of displacement, right? And then if you click that link I just posted, look how price was moving. It was in a hurry to get somewhere, right? Yeah. Yeah, I usually stop trading at 11. If I'm in a trade before 11, I'll hold it to like 11:30, 12. But 11, yeah, usually I'm done by 11. That gives me 9:30 open, the opening range, gives me silver bullet. Like, that's all I need. For longs. Yeah, so like, Muhammad, I use like whichever is cleaner. I think like ES to me, like I take ES trades like 2 out of 10 times. I'm majority like taking NQ. Um, like if we run the low, I was talking about this earlier. If we run the low on NQ and ES like is obviously stronger, but it's like kind of moving like lethargic, like not really moving a whole lot. And NQ like ran it and like is displacing higher and like it's leaving like entry model and everything. I'll take it on NQ. It doesn't matter to me that much. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully that answered your question. Yeah. Yeah. This is very also too, if you guys are up on the week, like don't give it back on a day like today. Unless you're you trade the PM session as well and like you see something there. Yeah. I swear every day I stream, like it turns in like a whack price action. Like a couple months ago I streamed, price terrible. However, if price does go lower, well, 1050 macro, guys. Someone's talking about the macros. Yeah. Appreciate it, guys. Yeah, so I want to see. Okay, if it closes through that, yeah, I think we're gonna run this low. Yeah, I'll stream next Friday or something like that. Ah, it's locked. I was wondering why I can't move that. Yeah, so it looks like people took shorts. It worked out. Oh, someone on my Discord. Someone on my Discord took shorts. Oh, good. Yeah, it was conflicting order flow for me. I just couldn't take it. But if I wanted to take shorts, I would have wanted to take them up here rather than like here in the middle of the range. But yeah. Yeah, hopefully you guys like this stream. I like doing them because I have a couple people that like can't hear the best in the Discord, so they like read my lips, so I like do them on here. And in Discord, I can't share my screen and the camera on the same screen, which like it just gives me I don't know why it does that to me. Um, I got about 3 minutes left, and then I have to go on T's stream on YouTube. I'll link that here for you guys that want to pop in there. Uh, Dang, that girl Tanya got 2.6K watching her right now. She. Nah, there's people who do better streams than I do. Like, Tanya's one of them for sure. I try to tell her, um, like, screw what people say in the freaking chat. Like, people just give her a hard time because she's a girl. Like, screw that. Yeah, I told her, I was like, you should just say, like, I was like, you should just say you're ICT's daughter. Like, people will believe it. And, like, he won't deny it, I feel like. Yeah, of course, man. So it's still respecting this 15-minute busy here, which is kind of crazy. Before I get off stream. Uh, I'm personally not gonna give back profits, especially this late in the session. I don't like trading this late. Yeah, she FaceTimed me. She's like, should I just say I'm like ICT's daughter? I'm like, yeah, like, yeah, I would. Yeah, do it. Yeah, so 15 minutes. So hourly Sibby here, 15-minute Bissy here. I don't know. You see what I mean? Conflicting order flow, lack of displacement, one, like no FEG. Like, yeah, price moved lower here. Like, that's great. Even on the M1, like, kind of, I mean, this candle was nice, right? If you guys were in shorts up here, you got a nice little 15-point move. But the only reason I was favoring longs more this morning than shorts was just the weekly target has not been hit yet. I thought it, I thought that was like doable. That was the only reason. Like, I decided to stream like late last night because of it. I was like, okay, I think we could either, if we run it, we can get TGIF set up, and if we don't, we can play the move up to there. So that was my thinking. Plus, dollar was going lower this morning. Anyways, I'm going to, lack of displacement. Yeah, displacement's key. Speed, displacement, clear as day. You guys go check out Ash's YouTube, Twitter, stuff like that. I'm gonna call it here. Thanks for you guys to tune in. I may go and tease YouTube now for that premiere in like 5 minutes. So I'll see y'all in there. I'll probably do another stream like next Friday or something like that. So y'all take it easy and have a great weekend.